All right, friends, so I made it home. I'm getting all my polishes out so I can get ready to do my Christmas nails. This time we're going to try the candy cane nails again. And then I have some Grinch stickers that I ordered off of Amazon, so I want to see how those work out. I'm not going to do too much because I don't want to be disappointed. I want to like my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything opened. I am out of top coat, so I definitely have to put on my list to buy some top coat because I'm completely, y'all gonna see me scraping through the top coat. I have it upside down on the desk. It's wasting everywhere. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, let's get these polishes open. I'm gonna do my base coat. I've already went underneath, cleaned out underneath, did everything I need to do for under the nails and with my builder gel. You guys will see what builder gel I use underneath when I do my empties video, which I'm gonna record like right after this. So y'all will be able to see that. But right now I'm just putting the base coat on. I'm going to put them under the lamp and then go in and try to do my stripes for my candy canes. Doing the candy canes first. I'm putting the base coat on each nail, but I'm going to do the candy canes first because I want to take my time. I know it takes the longest and I know I need to go slow. And like I always tell y'all, with curved nails, it's just a little bit more tedious than it is with regular fake nails or press-ons because you have a straight canvas to work with. And with curved nails, you don't have a straight canvas to work with. You have to kind of figure out how to get your polish not to roll, not to run. Just like right now with me doing the stripes, I have to be careful. I'm going to do the red, put it under the lamp, do the white, put it under the lamp because it runs down the nail. I have a big glob to the left or a big glob to the right. So you see me doing the red here. I'm going to have to clear it up a little bit because it's already running. I didn't know whether to do 3 or 4 lines and lamp it, 3 or 4 lines and lamp it and cure it or what. But I went ahead and just did all the red, clean it up a little bit and then put it under the lamp. All right, so I have all my red lines drawn, and then I'm going to get the fingernail polish remover and a little brush and clear up where it has started trying to touch each other. The lines are running because my nails go curved, so they're trying to touch each other. I need to clean it up, and I need to get it under the lamp so it can cure a little bit. And if I can get it to cure a little bit, it won't move. And then I can go in with the white from there. All right, friends, now we're ready to do the white. I'm just going to go in between where the red is, and I'm going to put my white stripes, and then I will put them under the lamp, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of glittery gold because y'all know I'm not doing rhinestones, but I need to have some bling somewhere. Okay. Okay. So we're going to do the white. We're going to get that under the lamp, and then go in with the glitter gold and no rhinestones this time, you guys. All right, and now we are ready for our stickers. Now, I did my left hand first. Normally, I do my right hand first because that takes me the longest to do with my left hand because I am right-handed, but I did it backwards this time, but it's okay. So I did my left hand first. I'm going to put Grinch stickers and stuff on the left hand, and I'm going to put different ones. There was like 8 stickers in this pack. So I'm going to put some on the left hand, some on the right hand, and save some for next year or whatever. Y'all know I don't like 2 hands the same. So right now I'm just peeling the stickers off with my little clippers and then trying to get them to stick to the nail. They're not sticking right off the bat, as y'all can see in my face. So I'm trying to play around with it. And then I tore 2 of them. I was mad about that. I don't know if it's because I'm using like clippers or tweezers to get the stickers off, but I got to get them off the paper some kind of way. And then I'm just sticking them onto the nail, and I'm going to stop in between and cure them so they don't slide and move, because that's what they're doing right now, is like sliding, moving. I'm trying to get it to stay on the nail. I want to slide to the left, slide to the right. Cha-cha now, y'all. Yeah, that's what these stickers are doing. Just look at this. I broke one. I'm showing y'all where the sticker just completely split in half. So, yeah. So, I'm concentrating, y'all. Let me get these stickers on, and then I'm going to top coat them and put them under the lamp. So I told y'all I'm out of top coat. So I've been putting the top coat bottles upside down on my little nail palette so it can run out, and it is dripping everywhere. Look, y'all, it's dripping everywhere, and I'm at the dining room table, y'all. Let me get some alcohol and get this polish up right now. This is how you do it with one hand, y'all. I got one hand under the lamp and one hand finna get this alcohol to get this polish off the table. I have to buy 3 or 4 more top coats this week because all of my top coats are empty, and I don't know how I let that happen. I have 3 or 4 bottles that I have upside down on my palette that I'm trying to get top coat out of to use up, and it's just spilling everywhere. So yeah, most definitely have to buy some top coat. And this is what they're looking like so far. I don't like the stickers on top of that glitter. Y'all will see it when I turn the camera around. So I'm not going to do that to the next hand. I feel like it makes them a little bit more difficult to see. That glitter is like an iridescent glitter. So it kind of shines more in the sun and outside. So it'll look better in person. But close up and on camera like that, I'm not going to do the next hand like that because I feel like the glitter is taken away from the Grinch. So let's place some more stickers. Cure this hand completely so we can be done. Alright, so we have this hand done. I'm going to come on over to show you guys the finished product of both hands. Alright guys, excuse the bag. I'm getting ready to do a empties video for you guys. But first, let's get into the nails. I went underneath, cleaned out underneath, and put some up. And see, that's what happens. If you don't use alcohol, You guys, when you look at this, that Builder Gel polish. Do I have alcohol up here? That Builder Gel polish, you have to wipe it off with alcohol, or y'all see the pieces of lint from my bed sticking to my nails. Let me get some alcohol. Hold on. Yeah, so I got a little piece of alcohol there on a paper towel. That Builder Gel polish is sticky. It's like a top coat. You know how you have to wipe your top coat off? You have to wipe that Builder Gel off. And I put Builder Gel underneath. And if you don't get all the stickiness off with like fingernail polish remover or alcohol, then everything is going to stick to it. Okay? So I probably have to do one more run, but let me show y'all the nails. This is the right hand. Look at the Grinch. Oh my God, y'all. These stickers came off of Amazon and they are so cute. I did a candy cane nail on the thumb. Candy cane nail on the pinky. I did better on my candy cane nails this year than I feel like I have ever done. I am super satisfied with them. My lines still could be straighter, but bump it. Y'all don't know how far I've come. And then for the nails, if I can get my jewelry out the way, there he is. And y'all know each hand is different, so I'm going to show y'all the other hand. But I'm going to try to bring y'all in so y'all can see the Grinch, the dog. What's the lady name? Mary Lou? Is her name Mary Lou? Y'all will tell me. The Grinch. There were different Grinches in the pack. And then bells. There's a doggy. That one says Grinch. There she is again. These all got stuck together, so I left them together. All those stickers, I tried to peel them off and they got stuck together, and I said, obviously y'all want to be together, so they together. So that's the right hand, looking beautiful. I am very happy with this set. That I am very happy with this set. It took me a minute. I took my time. And I'm very happy with it. So on to the left hand, I did a glitter nail with the Grinch there on my thumb. The pointer finger is a candy cane. And then this one, this is why I did this hand first. And I put that glitter polish and tried to put the stickers. And I feel like you can't really see them that well. And so that's why on the next hand, I didn't do it that way. The pinky has one Grinch sticker and the candy cane. So this hand is a little different. And I'll bring y'all in closer to see. And I feel like the stickers were harder to see. Okay, my bad. I feel like the stickers were harder to see with the glitter. So tell me what y'all think. I always ask y'all what y'all think because you guys are looking at them from a different angle. I put a tree on that one. Now in person, I feel like in person when you ask to see my nails, you're definitely going to get a better view of it. This is on camera. But I love them. I love this set, y'all. Love this set. Let me know what y'all think. I hope everyone has a happy holiday. Kwanzaa, whatever, Christmas, whatever you celebrate, be blessed, and I hope that we get to see each other in the new year.